Action.
Hi guys, my name is Louisa April and I have decided to document the rest of my journey on YouTube. So I'm going to start with the get to know me tag. Basically I'll answer a few questions and you guys will learn a bit more about me and see how interesting or not I am, and we'll take it from there. Okay, cool. I have my list of questions here. Okay, so first question is, are you named after anyone? Yes, I'm named after my grandmother. Her name is Louisa April. I'm just Louisa April, which is pretty dope. When was the last time you cried? Last week. That's all. Do you have kids? No, I don't have kids. If you were another person, would you be a friend of yourself? Yes, I think I'm pretty awesome. Do you use sarcasm a lot? Not a lot, but enough. I use it enough. How many languages can you speak? English, Motswana, Afrikaans, and Russian. Although the latter are not fluent, they're just, enough to get by. What's the first thing you notice about people? I don't know if this is physically or like characteristic-wise. I tend to notice people's eyes and hands, or I notice the way that they speak. What is your eye color? I have brown eyes, pretty brown eyes. Scary movie or happy endings? I like scary movies, but I feel like they don't make them anymore. And I'm a sucker for happy endings, so a bit of both. Favorite smells? Petrichor or petrichor, I'm not sure what it's pronounced. The smell when the rain is coming. That and maybe like marshmallows and vanilla. Vanilla smells dope. What's the furthest you've ever been from home? That will definitely have to be Russia. I schooled in Russia. Where were you born? Princess Marina Hospital. I was born in Gaborone. Do you have any pets? Not yet. Wait, I have spiders. Does that count? I'm gonna get a cat soon, I hope. But I have spiders for now. Do you have any siblings? I have 2 younger brothers, Obina and Alex, and I have a baby sister on the way. I'm so excited. What do you want to be when you grow up? Wealthy. I want to be wealthy. That's what I want to be. Who was your first best friend? From the top of my head, I think Kakaho Mkele. We went to primary school together. She was a dope person. Loki had a crush on her. Yeah, her. How tall are you? Like 168, if I'm not lying. I could be lying. I'm not sure. How many countries have you visited? Botswana, Namibia, South Africa, Swaziland, Mozambique, Russia. Yes, let's keep it there to be safe. I'm not counting the places in transit, so those 6. What was your favorite or worst subject in high school? Ad math was the worst, and favorite was English/English literature. Yeah. Favorite drink, animal, and perfume. Favorite drink, Stony, and I like alcohol. And animal would have to be spiders and cats. Perfume, I honestly don't know if it smells nice. I like vanilla-based scents, the sweet kind of ones. My mom hates those. What would you or have you name your children? I don't know. I'm still thinking about it because I changed my mind too much. How many girlfriends or boyfriends have you had? I don't have any exes. Let's just say that. So none. 0. I'm not answering. How would you describe your fashion sense? I wouldn't know how to describe it because usually I dress based on my mood. Sometimes it's very tomboy, sometimes it's very I don't care, sometimes it's girly. So don't know. You guys will let me know. What phone do you have? I have an Android. Tell us one of your bad habits. I sleep really late a lot. Yeah, I think that's one of them. Where did you go the first time on a plane? I was going to school, so I went to SA first and then Russia. Do you like hunting? I've never been, so I don't know. Although I do think I would, because I like killing stuff. What's your biggest fear? I think of the unknown. I think my biggest fear is dying before I get to do all the shit I want to do. I feel like I have a lot of stuff to do and I need to do them before I die, really. Oh, no. With whom do you share your happiness? With my mom. With my mom. How do you celebrate success? A good night's sleep. Maybe here and there masturbation, but like a good night's sleep. And alcohol, but I'm off alcohol for like a year, so I don't know. Just, say a thank you prayer and sleep. What's your first reaction to any failure? Like if it's been something that I've been pushing for and it's just not working out, I usually tend to like cry because I get overwhelmed with this sense of it's not working out. I'm sorry about the sound of the cat in the background. It's just a little cat. Whom would you kill if given a chance? There's a person in my life that I refer to as the green monster. If you know me, you know this person, so that's the answer. Although that feeling has decreased, but that person. But because people might be watching, no one. I wouldn't kill anyone. Alright? Who can I play the piano? No, I can't play the piano. What is the last thing you do before sleeping? I check my phone, honestly, before I sleep. When was the last time you drank? I assume the question is referring to alcohol. That would be the 25th of December in Namibia. It's been a while. What's the weirdest thing you did while drunk? Apparently I tried to stab someone with a fork. I don't think it's true, but okay. Do you visit your grandparents? I've never met my grandparents from my dad's side. I'm pretty tight with my grandma on my mom's side, so I visit her when I can. How much do I weigh? The last time I weighed myself, it was 63.4. I'm pretty sure I've gained since, but like below 65. I could be lying, but What's my favorite hairstyle? Right now, it's this. Ever since I did it, it just felt like something that belonged with my character. So I'm really in love with it, and I don't want to let go of it yet. How often do you check your emails? Every day. I need to check all my emails every day. It's necessary. What do you like to eat for breakfast? Food. I like to eat food. I'm not really picky with breakfast. What do you cook best? Pasta. All kinds of pasta. Any kind of pasta. With what doesn't matter, but pasta. And I bake pretty well as well. Are you a quick email or text replier? Yes. If I'm not distracted by anything and I'm just talking to you on your phone, I will respond instantly, somewhat. Did someone break your heart? Yes, people have broken my heart. When did you first face rejection? How? First? Maybe like in grade 1, when this guy I used to sit next to started liking the new girl who came into class instead of me. That was maybe my first instance of rejection. Did you ever slip in front of public? Like, did I ever fall? I think I've fallen before, but it was okay because I was around friends and we laughed, and it wasn't a painful kind of laugh. It was like, haha, you fell, let me help you up. So it was okay. What would your last wish be before death? I think to spend some quality time with my family. I think that would be my last wish. Wait, I have one more question because I asked you guys to send me your questions, and I got one from my cousin. So I'm just gonna quickly look that up and answer it. She said, what did she say? She asked me if, wow, I can't find it. She asked me, what is the one thing that I struggle with in my life, or that I feel everyone struggles with in their life? I think the one thing that I struggle with is, I want to say mental health, because it's something that has really come full force in my life right now, and I'm getting all the effects of it, and I can't stress the importance of mental health. So I think that is one thing that everyone indirectly or directly struggles with, and that we should pay attention to. Those are all the questions I have for now. I hope you learned something about me that you didn't know before, and I hope you'll continue to come watch my videos. So that's it for me today. Leave a like down below. You can comment, ask me something else, maybe if I didn't answer it or you feel like you have a question. Then the next time I'll do a Q&A, I'll give you an answer. Subscribe, obviously. I plan to do one video a week. I don't want to give you days because I might lie. So one video a week, and I hope that's cool. Alright guys, bye!